welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title, I'm gonna be doing a video in regards to my wallet, which is the Louis Vuitton Victorine wallet. I did show you guys this and what's in my bag, and I wanted to share with you guys the story why I ended up with this wallet. Because if you've been following me for a long time, you know that I had an Emilie wallet. In the past, I had the monogram with a rose ballerine interior. I will link the video somewhere over here just so you guys can see which wallet I'm talking about. And if you guys wanted to watch the video, you could do that as well. I wanted to just share with you guys the story why I got this wallet. I've had this wallet for about 7 months now, because it was back in December. It's July of 2019 right now. And the reason why I got it, because the wallet that I had previously it was just breaking down. As you guys all know, a lot of like the Louis Vuitton canvas has been having a lot of problems recently in the past couple of years, where like the varnishings were cracking and peeling. And my wallet, I was affected by that as well. For 2 items, I had a pochette Matisse before, which I would probably do a different story on that, but it's the same problem. And then the second item that had happened to me with the same problem was my Emilie wallet. And the varnishings were basically just cracking and peeling, so I brought it in. This was back in June of 2018, and they did get it fixed. I was able to pick it up like 2 months later, and a couple of months later it started peeling and cracking again right after it was just fixed. So I had brought it in December of last year, and I showed the lady. They had brought me upstairs. This was in Louis Vuitton Costa Mesa, or South Coast Plaza. And so the people from Louis Vuitton took me upstairs, where basically it's their repair shop or their repair area. So there were 2 girls right there, or 2 ladies up there, and one of the girls that was trying to take care of me, she was trying to look at the item, and she did notice that, you know, I just got it fixed. But the way that she was talking to me, she had basically insinuated that it was my fault that the wallet was breaking, that I wasn't taking care of it. Oh, she said that I put too much stuff in my wallet, or I was probably storing it wrong and stuff like that. And I think the other lady that was working with her noticed that the way that she was talking to me. So she had taken over this particular incident. So she was talking to me and asking me about it. She was inspecting the wallet. She was pressing on the canvas, feeling the edges of the wallet, and she had basically said that the wallet or the canvas was hardening, and this one wasn't good. It was cracking, and that's the reason why. So the resolve was basically that she had given me a credit for the price of the wallet, and I could get the same wallet if I wanted to, or I can choose a different one. She just gave me a store credit. So when I went downstairs, I was looking at the Emilie, because I really like that wallet. It was a gift from my husband, but I'm just so afraid that it's gonna happen again, and I don't want to go through that again. It's a hassle for me to just, I mean, it's nice that they would repair it, but the previous repair that I had, the initial repair that I had with the wallet, it wasn't free. To begin with, it wasn't free. I had to pay for the repair. I believe it was $90, a little less than $100. It was 90 something dollars, and they were gonna have it repaired. They're gonna repair it again and charge me another 90 something dollars. So that would be like almost $200. The wallet was around 500, I think. Wait, was it? I think the wallet was around $500. So I mean, I don't know. So I was looking at that, and I was thinking, it was a long wallet, and most of the time when I try to go somewhere, I try to carry something small. I do have a card holder from Gucci that sometimes I'll bring that, or my multi-cartis card case from Louis Vuitton, but I don't normally bring that. I just use my excess cards to put in there, or I just have my excess cards to put in there, or other stuff that I need to carry with me. But back to the topic. So I was debating whether to get the same wallet or not, just because for sentimental value, because my husband did get me that wallet. But I was also debating if I was gonna get a smaller wallet, a more compact wallet, because I was kind of looking into that already, just for practicality, because I can carry these smaller wallets everywhere with any type of bag. So I was looking at this particular wallet, the red one in the Victorine, and I was also asking them if they had the same wallet but in the epi leather but in pink. I think it's also rose ballerine. I was also looking at the same wallet but in monogram with a rose ballerine interior, but they didn't have that either. So I felt like it wasn't really meant to be, and I was really captivated by the color of this one, just because I feel like it's like a statement piece for me. And so that is the reason why I got this wallet. I had to add about $200 on top of my store credit because the other one was a lot cheaper than this particular wallet. I believe the Emilie is around $515, $530, around there, while this one was $700. I had to pay taxes. Of course. That's why I had said $200. So onto the review about this wallet. So far, 7 months use. Wear and tear wise, everything seems amazing because the varnishings are still pretty much intact all over, all around. There's no peeling, there's no cracking. The only wear and tear that I see is just the button part, which has scuffing on them and a little bit faded on the edges. And the zipper pull still looks pretty brand new, surprisingly. And even the actual pull itself, or the zipper material, is still pretty much brand new. The zipper pull is still pretty good. So it's a trifold wallet, and it opens like this, and it fits six cards in the front, so 3 on this side, 3 on this side, and there's 2 more compartments right here. I only have, like, I think 1 card. I have an IKEA card hidden inside there, and a receipt that I probably should throw away. Oh no, it's not a receipt. So I have my IKEA card right there, and I also have the sticker for the wallet, which says Victorine wallet with the pricing right there. I also have another compartment right here, like I said earlier, and I just have my insurance card, and where you can put the paper bills or whatever you want to put in there is right here. I have a few cash in there. It's a dollar bill. A bunch of dollar bills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have $11 in dollar bills, and no, I didn't go to a strip club like I said. I did get my nails done, and they gave me dollar bills for my change, just so that I could tip. And I have a couple of receipts right here that I need to throw away, and I just have a bunch of another receipt and just a bunch of like stamp cards, like Sanrio, coffee, lashes, and bobas. So that's what I have in there. I don't keep many things in here, so as you can tell now, it's empty. And I'm not going to take out the cards because I don't want to put them back in. And inside here, this is usually where you're supposed to put the points. I have just another Louis Vuitton card, basically just like that textile card. It's right here. And I have a few change in there. Over here, it does say Louis Vuitton Paris, and this is made in France. I just noticed that. I know there's a lot of people who doesn't like to put coins in the designated coin pouch of the wallet because they don't want it to get wear and tear. They just don't want to have wear and tear inside the wallet. That's kind of pointless to me, just because, I mean, you got a wallet so that has that particular use. I will use it for that reason. So yeah, I don't know about you guys, but the best part about leather wallets is basically the smell. I don't know, I just love the smell. It's so intoxicating in a good way, and I love it. And if you guys haven't smelled one, you guys should try to smell one if you guys ever try to visit the store and wanted to see if you guys want to get this wallet. But smells amazing. My makeup got in there. But yeah, my mother-in-law even looked at this wallet and she really liked it, and she loves the smell of leather as well. And without the stuff that I have in there, it's pretty thin, but with the stuff in there, it gets pretty, I wouldn't say very bulky, but it does get a little bulky just because it's a smaller wallet. So I got closer to the camera just so that I can be a little bit more closer when I show you guys what how much I can fit inside this wallet. So I did grab a few cards right here. These are not credit cards, but it's similar to credit cards. So I have these. So I have shown you guys what was inside the wallet. So it's like this. I wasn't able to show you guys how much can fit inside the other compartments of the wallet. So I have one card right there. So I'm gonna put another one. This is a Stay Pineapple hotel card. So I can fit it in there. And then we can put another one. We have another one. So I have 4 cards in there. I have a Walgreens card right here. Another card. I have a CVS card. So now there's 4 cards on each side. And I'll show you guys how it closes. So that's how it looks like now. It's a little bit more bulky, but I don't think I'm gonna put anything more than that, because over here it's already, you can see that it's bulky on this side, and I think that's from the cards. Yeah, because it's pushing right here. So now it's kind of protruding right here. So I mean, it fits 4 okay, but normally I don't really put that much cards in there. Okay, I think the 4 is fine. If you guys are not gonna put coins inside, I think it's gonna be fine. So I'm gonna take out the coins. Okay, so I took out the coins and it's perfectly fine. It's not like bulking up like earlier. I'm gonna put back the other 2 cards that I took out earlier, and let's see. Still fits perfectly fine. So without the coins, it's actually perfect. If I add 2 more, so now there's 5 cards inside of here on each side. See, trying to see if it's still gonna close. Oh yeah, it's still closed, but it's very bulky. I don't ever have my wallet like this bulky, but it still looks okay. I have my punch cards right here. If I even them out on each side, I think it'll look more even. Okay, yeah, definitely a lot better. So as long as you guys even everything out, I think it's gonna be fine. It still looks good to me. I like how it looks. I actually like how that looks. I don't know, it kind of looks like a planner, like a small tiny planner. So this is how much cards it fits. I'm pretty sure I can put more, but I'm not sure if I wanted to stretch out the leather that much. Yes, I can put 1 more. Okay, so now there's 6 cards on each side. I don't know if you can tell, but it's all right there, and it's also right here. Let's see if it still fits. Yep, so it still fits. So if you're the type to carry, how many cards is that? So I have 6 cards on each side plus the 3 in the front, so that's 18, and it still fits perfectly. The only thing that I could tell you guys is that in the front you can tell that it's very bulky, and it still looks pretty good. It looks healthy. So yeah, so I believe that's all that can fit in there. I probably wouldn't stretch it much more, because I just wouldn't, because that's a lot already. If you guys have more cards, I would probably put it in a separate card holder. If you guys have been looking for a wallet to maybe replace your old Louis Vuitton wallet, maybe because of the same issues that I was having, or you guys are getting into like a luxury good or SLGs from Louis Vuitton, I highly suggest for you guys to get this one. I really like this wallet. It hasn't given me any problems, and everybody that has seen my wallet, they always ask what it is. I get a lot of compliments. It's so easy to carry around. Whether I'm having my backpack, I can put it inside or I can put it inside the pouch that was in the front. You guys have seen my never full, where I put it. I can just carry this like this as well. Sometimes I'm just gonna run to the store and I just carry it like this, and it's easy to put in pockets. It's easy just to put like in jackets and coats and stuff. I just feel like it's very durable. I probably wouldn't look for another wallet if the other one didn't really break. I'm not the type to just collect different types of wallets. I don't change my wallet on a weekly basis. I just wanted to share with you guys this particular wallet, my experiences with Louis Vuitton and with this wallet, the wear and tear, and how I use it, or what's inside my wallet. I do enjoy a lot of these videos. I watch a lot of these videos. If you guys would have seen my history, it's just crazy. If you do end up getting this wallet or something similar, please let me know. I really do enjoy having interaction with you guys, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, or at least I was a little bit more informative. I suck at talking in the camera because I get nervous. My throat is getting dry. And that is it for this video. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to thumbs up this video, and also don't forget to subscribe, and also hit the bell button so you guys can get notified of my future videos. Alright, see you guys later. Bye!